In this video, we'll try to understand how can we stop the class from further inheriting. So what I've done here is, in order to understand this fundamental, I have a very simple project here, you can see, and this project has three classes: human, male and female. Now let's go and watch this class hierarchy very closely. So we have a male class, a female class, and both of these classes actually inherit from the human class. Okay, so in other words, the human is the parent class and the male and female classes are the child classes. Now, till here the inheritance hierarchy is absolutely fine. We have created one new entity called as male by inheriting from the human class. We have created a new entity called as female from inheriting the human class. But I don't want anyone to go and inherit this female class or the male class, because this is the end of inheritance. Means I don't want someone to go and create something called as some other human, and that some other human should inherit from the male class. I don't want that. In other words, nobody should be able to inherit from the male class and the female class any further. But if you see currently, right, if you see this current situation here, I can easily go and create a class called as some human. Okay, and this some human can go and inherit male class, and this program will absolutely compile, right? So you can see now I have created one more class called as some human, and this some human class can easily inherit from this male class. Now if I go and build this project here, it does not give me any errors, right? Now what I want is, I want that it should give an error and it should not allow me to go and inherit the male and female class. So how do we do this? So for that we have to use something called as the sealed keyword. In other words, if I go and put this keyword here called as sealed, right, what this means is that this class, male and the female class, cannot be inherited any further. So in other words, if I go and create a class here called as some other human now, and if I try to go and inherit from this female class, you can see that first thing, I don't even see the female class over here. But still, let's say that if I go and forcibly say no, like please go ahead and inherit from this human class here, let's say I try to do this, right, and if I try to go and build a solution here, you can see that I have got an error over here saying that you cannot go and derive from this female class because it's a sealed type. In other words, no one can go and further inherit from this class. So in other words, answering this question very simply over here, how can we stop the class from further inheriting? By using the sealed keyword. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. In this video we were trying to understand how we can use sealed keyword to further stop the class from inheriting. Thank you so much.